Maging okay. Mga tuktok ay tumino dahil sa kanilang tatlo. So may introduce to you the one and only three today. Tito Vic and Joe without his band. Alright, thank you. Okay. Okay? Alright. Tito Vic and Joe without his band. Kami na may narito. Tito Vic and Joe without his band. Alam naming atar kayo. Tito Vic and Joe with Tito Vic and Joe with Tito Vic and Joe without his band. You know. What would you do if I sang out of tune? Ano kaya